Now this is the question number 1 of your exercise 6.2. Question number 1 says using number line write the integers which is the conditions are given to you a, b, c, and d, and you have to use number line to tell which integer is this. So I am solving the b and c part. A and d part that you will do by yourself after understanding the concept of this question number 1. So we will be using number line to tell which number is this and which integer is this, and the conditions are given 5 more than minus 5. The b part condition is there, 5 more than minus 5. What does it mean? 5 more मतलब 5 ज़्यादा, 5 ज़्यादा किससे? minus 5 से. So what we will be locating first? We will be locating a minus 5 because it is saying 5 more than minus 5. Minus 5 से 5 more. So I told you whenever there is a more, then you will be moving towards the right hand side as this is a addition. ठीक है, ये क्या है? more मतलब you are adding to any number. So this is minus 5. Minus 5 we are locating here because this will be on the left hand side of the 0. So this is a minus 5 on the number line. We have to give a number which is 5 more than minus 5. Minus 5 से 5 more, 5 ज़्यादा. So what we will do? We will be moving towards the right hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we reach? We reach to 0. So answer for this will be what? 0. क्या निकलेगा आंसर? 0, because the number which is 5 more than minus 5 is your what? 0. That number, that integer is your what? 0. Now 6 less than 2, आपको क्या बताना है? 6 less than 2. 2 से 6 less मतलब कम. For that we will be moving towards the left hand side and we will be doing what? Subtraction here. So first of all we will be locating a number. किससे कम पूछ रहा है? We have been asked 6 less than मतलब 6 कम 2 से. First we will locate the 2. This is our 2 and we have to move 6 places towards the left because it is saying less. Whenever we have a less, then we will move towards the left hand side. So this is 2. How many places we will move? 6 places because it is 6 less. अगर 10 less होता तो 10 places we have to move. अगर 3 less होता तो 3 places we have to move. Since here it is 6 less लिखा हुआ, so we will be moving towards the 6 places towards the left hand side. So this is 2. 6 place move करेंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where we reached? We reached at 4. So this was the direction. Don't forget to mention the direction, as this plays a very important role in the number line. So where we stopped? After moving the 6 places from the 2, we stopped at minus 4. So 6 less than 2 will be your what? Minus 4. So I hope you all understood the concept of this question number 1. Now we will move to the question number 2. The remaining part of question number 1 you will do by yourself as a homework. Now this is the second part of your exercise 6.2. Second part says using number line add the following integers. What you have to do? You have to use the number line to add the following conditions. I am solving the first part first of all. So this is 9 plus bracket minus 6. So what you have to do? You have to add a negative integers to a integer, that is 9. So whenever we are adding a negative integers to any integers, then we are moving towards the left hand side. That concept we are going to use here. So first of all we will locate the first integer which is given you as 9. So we will be locating a 9. Since this 9 is a positive integer, so it will lie on the right hand side of your 0. So this is 0. So the negative integer will lie 9 place from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is your 9. So this is our starting point, that is 9. Now what we have to do? We have to add negative integer, that is minus 6 to it. So whenever we are adding a negative integers, we are moving towards the left hand side and we are moving that much place as the negative integer is given. कितना दिया हुआ? 6 minus 6 is given. So we will be using minus 6. We are moving 6 places towards the left. So this was our starting point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. On moving left 6 places we reach to 3. So our answer will be what? 3. And don't forget to mention the arrows. If you are not writing the arrows, you will not be getting any marks. So mention the arrows in which direction you are moving. So this is a solution for your first part, that is 9 plus minus 6 equals to what? 3. Now we will move to the next part of this exercise 6.2, question number 2. Now this is the D part of your question number 2. In the D part there is minus 5 plus 10. You have to add 10 to the integers minus 5. Here we are adding a positive integers because we are adding 10 to this minus 5. So we are moving towards the what, right hand side, because we are adding a positive integers to any integers. So what is the first integer? We have a minus 5, so we will be locating minus 5 first on this number line. So for each question, each part of this question number 2, you will be drawing a different number line. So this is our starting point, that is minus 5. It will be lying on the left hand side of the 0. Here is our starting point, minus 5. Now what we have to add? We have to add 10 to this minus 5, a positive integer to this minus 5. Whenever we are adding a positive integer, we are moving towards the right hand side. How many place? 10 place. कितने place move करेंगे? जो नंबर हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, जो इंटीजर हम ऐड करें उसी की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, दैट इज अगर हम साइंस को रिमूव कर देते हैं, जैसे अगर हमारे पास -10 है, तो व्हाट इज द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस -10? इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? जो साइन को हटा दो बेटा, दैट इज द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. अगर हम बात करते हैं 17 की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या होगी? दिस विल बी 17 ओनली. अगर हम बात करते हैं -39 की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या होगी? दिस विल बी 39 ओनली. तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज बेसिकली वैल्यू विदाउट व्हाट, साइन. साइन के हटा के जो वैल्यू है, जो नंबर है, दैट इज योर व्हाट, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. तो हम उतने ही प्लेसेस मूव करेंगे जो उस नंबर की क्या एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू है. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें 10 की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या होगी? 10. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू मूव 10 प्लेसेस फ्रॉम द दिस -5. सो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Where we reached to 5. So the answer will be your -5 plus 10 gives you what? 5. So this is your answer, and you have to show the arrow also, because we are moving towards the what, right hand side. So this will be the arrow towards the right, and we stopped here, therefore the answer will be what? 5. Now we will move to the next part, that is your F part of this question number 2. Now this is the F part of your question number 2. In this F part we have to, there are 3 integers. 3 integers हैं, तो सभी को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? पेयरिंग, ग्रुपिंग से शुरू करते हुए चलेंगे स्टार्टिंग से, और एक एक इंटीजर्स को ऐड करते जाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ वी सी वी हैव टू ऐड 8 टू दिस -2 पे क्या हमें क्या ऐड करना है बेटा? वी हैव टू ऐड 8 टू इट. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर एडिंग 8 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स टू दिस -2. व्हेनेवर वी आर एडिंग अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द what, right hand side. तो हम -2 को लोकेट करेंगे because it was a starting one. तो -2 को लोकेट करते हैं in this number line. This is the position of -2 on the left hand side of the 0. This is a starting point. Now what we will do, we will move how many places? We are moving 8 places. पहले हम फर्स्ट स्टेप को सॉल्व करेंगे, फर्स्ट ग्रुप को सॉल्व करेंगे. 8 places मूव करते हैं. Why? Because on the first addition हमें क्या करना है? 8 के साथ करना है, and 8 is a positive integer, so we will be moving towards the right hand side. Okay, so this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. तो where we reach to the 6. कहाँ पहुँचे बेटा? We reach to the 6 on moving towards what? और right hand side. Here we reach. तो अब हम क्या बोले? -2 और 8 को मिलकर क्या मिल गया बेटा? We got what? 6. And now we have to add -4 to it. अब हमें क्या करना है बेटा? -4 ऐड करना है इस 6 में. तो जब हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर को किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं, तो what we do? We move towards the left hand side की मूव करते हैं. So this is our, now we have reached to the 6. अब हम क्या करना है? -4 उसमें ऐड करना है. तो for adding a negative integer, we move towards the left hand side. So how many place we move? We will move the absolute value of this -4. That will be what? 4 only. तो 4 place move करेंगे. तो this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. कहाँ पहुँचे बेटा? We reach to 2. So this is your final answer. That is 2. So when we are adding -2 plus 8 then -4, we are getting answer as your what? 2. So this is your final answer. I hope you all understood how to add integers using a number line. So remaining part of this question number 2 also you will do by yourself as a homework. So with this we finish up with today's class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.